Hi guys, in this session I am going to explain you more on for loops. Here I am going to explain you pause, break and continue. Pause means if you want to write a code in future but not now. What happens is instead of writing a actual code, we will write a pause as a statement. It is useful in debugging. It is useful to write a postpone any logic for future. If you want to write, we will make utilize pass. If you does not write a pass as a statement, sometimes it gives a error, so you have to write pass. And the next thing is break. If you are writing a for loop or any while loop or any loop, if you want to come out of the loop, if there is a condition is met, if you want to totally stop the loop and come out of the loop, we will make utilize a break. Instead of that, if we want to continue with the loop but we want to skip a some other statements after uh, continue, we will make utilize a continue as the statement. Instead of writing a break, we will write a continue. For break, it will come out of the loop. For continue, it will skip the current iteration statements and it will continue with the next loop, next iteration. So I hope you understood. If any clarity you needed, I will give you an example to you, and with the example you will get a clarity. Here we written a pass in a condition. So it is not checking, it is not writing any code in this. It is just checking the condition, and it is not writing any statements in that. So it will continue as it is. It will give the output without any problem. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4. Here it is checking the condition but it is doing nothing. If it does not write a pass, it will give a error. So for to skip this error, we are writing pass. Okay, good. I think you understood. Here I am writing a break. Here I am writing a break. What it will do is it checks for the I equal to 3 condition. After met with this condition, if condition is true, it will come out of the loop. It will not continue any iteration, any loop. It will not do any execution. Just simply skips this and it will come out of the loop. Try to understand. Output 0 1 2 3. It met with 3. 3 as a condition. It is true. Condition is true. It is breaking. It will come out of the loop. Instead of writing the break, if we write a continue, what it will do? Just it will do uh, skip the printing of I value, that is 3, and it will continue with the loop. It will skip only I equal to 3 print statement. Remaining iterations it will continue. So it gives the output like this. It skipped 3 only. It skipped print I for one time, but it is continued the loop. I hope you understood what actually it is happening. I'm not using any debugging tool here. It is a simple example. So I hope you understood. I will continue with the next session.